Hi there, welcome to another Tips for Landlords and Property Managers video brought to you by FastEvictLawGroup.com. On today's episode, we'll go over an update on the 3-day notice to quit for non-payment of rent versus the 15-day notice to quit for non-payment of rent. Please remember, the contents of this video shouldn't be considered legal advice. Please contact us if you have any questions. The new 3-day notice to pay or quit. Landlords looking to evict a tenant for non-payment of rents that became due between October 1st, 2021 and March 31st, 2022 can serve a 3-day notice to pay or quit that must include specific text with instructions to the tenant on how to apply for rental assistance. This requirement only applies to tenancies that began prior to October 1st, 2021. The new 3-day notice is outlined in AB 832, or the Recovery Act, along with requiring landlords to show proof of filing for rental assistance prior to filing an unlawful detainer for non-payment of rents due between March 1st, 2020 through March 31st, 2022. So, to recap, before a court grants the landlord a summons in California for a 3-day notice to pay or quit, the landlord must serve the correct notice, the verbiage. The rent in question must be between October 1st, 2021 and March 31st, 2022. The landlord must show proof he or she filed for rental assistance. 15-day notice to pay or quit. 15-day notices with specific verbiage about the California Rental Assistance Program must be served to a tenant for non-payment of rents that became due between March 1st, 2020 and September 30th, 2021. Tenants with outstanding rent due between this time frame can still avoid eviction by providing a signed declaration and paying at least 25% of the rent owed. Before a summons is awarded to a landlord for rent due between this time frame, a landlord must provide proof that he or she actively assisted their tenant in applying for the rental relief or that he or she applied on behalf of the tenant. We strongly recommend contacting us or your preferred legal counsel if any of your tenants still owe rent due between March 1st, 2020 and September 30th, 2021 before serving a 15-day notice. Things to keep in mind. If your tenant moved in any time after October 1st, 2021 and has not paid rent, you can serve a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit and proceed with an eviction as per usual in all local, city, and county ordinances, as they may have even stricter control on evictions and rent increases. Have any questions? You can write us in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have found this video useful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.